How to work a yarn over between knit stitches. We'll begin by knitting a stitch, and we'll move our working yarn under the needle to the front of our work to start our first yarn over. I'm simply going to knit the next stitch, and in doing so, I'll be returning the yarn to the back of the work. Creating that yarn over, we can see there's a new loop on our needle between the two stitches we worked. Working another yarn over by bringing that yarn under to the front and knitting the next stitch. And we've created another yarn over. One last time, bringing the yarn to the front of the work under the needle and knitting the following stitch to create that loop. When we encounter these yarn overs on the wrong side of our work, we'll simply purl them as we would a standard stitch if we're working in stockinette. So I'm purling a stitch and I'm purling a yarn over. Purling another stitch and purling a yarn over. And on the right side of our work, we can start to see the eyelets emerging that are the increased stitches created by those yarn overs.